Come on. Hold on, Jesse. Come on, Jesse. Hold on. Hey! Hey! Hold on, Jesse. Stop this kid. Boom, 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 boom.
Look up, Tyson.
Hey!
Oh, hi. Hello. I just hurt my finger. I thought I could handle the door, but ew.
Are you doing me now?
Who's this for, Angela?
Hi.
Hi.
Are you enjoying yourself today?
What?
Wish I knew how to zoom in.
That's okay, sir. I know how to zoom. Get that the wide is this one. Now I want to say this was Daddy's Senior Citizens Party Day.
This one?
One of them does it.
The folks, did you take the picture?
Yeah, I'm going to show you them. And this is June 21st, 1990, and Deacon Dunlap even got in the swimming pool.
Oh, he did?
Yes, and Shannon is taking his picture. Bye. Come on, Boo. Grandpa.
Look at those boys. They're really enjoying their life, I'm telling you. We just got back from the beach. Now they're in the pool wrenching off, cleaning the sand off of their bodies.
Oh, and Grandma's getting ready to fall in.
And the Lola getting ready to fall in.
You guys, hold on.
Hey, Wes, did you guys have fun at the beach today? Huh? It's hot.
I mean, the pool water's warm.
Oh. Huh? Oh, it blew down, blew in the garden.
Oh, my goodness. That's a shame.
Yeah, messed up part of the garden. The garden's not going to be too good this year. Yeah.
Those greens was a little tough. I still
Yeah.
got some in the
Yeah.
No water for you guys. No water for you.
Ooh, this ground is hot.
Yeah, that water just
Yeah. Well.
They want to get in there so bad.
Huh?
They want to
Justin had his rest of it.
Oh, I better pull off my watch, hadn't I?
Yeah.
Is that recall?
Yeah. No.
No, Justin.
Hi.
Hey, how did you get it?
Hi. Yeah.
Oh, Justin can see the moon all the time.
Yeah.
Oh, we really got some dirt in there, though.
Huh?
You really got dirt in there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna turn the filter on a little while. Come on.
Oh, Tyson. You're in the water all day.
Come back here. If you're going there, I'm gonna give you a good. I'm gonna give you good. Now that is kind of filtered. You're gonna get your butt. You're not going in. What we got? No more water for you guys. You've had enough water. You've had enough water. Come on, let's play with the toys.